Are you a 7? One of the personality traits of a 7 is a negativity around you will trap you. Much like the 6, the 7's very, very spiritual, very connected to their inner being outside of the body. You were born with a knowing. You're born with a knowledge of that you just know, secret traits that you just know. People don't know how you know these things. You need time to yourself. You need time in the quiet place, especially when you're seeking answers. Everything will come to you, but you must find that place within yourself that is quiet, because it will come when things are ordered. Much like your home and your work has to be orderly. A 7 is normally very much perfectionist, extremely tidy. Again, this depends upon the other numbers that are around them. A 7 can be very much a loner, but when they're among people who are like them, it becomes one of those times where you don't need to talk, but you can enjoy being with them. Because when you are a 5, 6, 7, these are very spiritual numbers. They are numbers that you're very connected. In fact, in Buddhism, the best monks are always 5, 6, and 7, because you're born with that gift. Now, each lifetime we go through certain traits to perfect our being, and you go through all the energy fields. But what number are you? Jot it down, because your energy is everything. You can make the face look very beautiful. You can speak very beautiful. But all of these things only last the life of the body. Once you understand who you are, then the happiness comes, the knowledge comes, the knowing comes, and the struggle stops. The security comes, and the depression goes away. It all comes because you know you. It's a make. Thank you for watching.